Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Ilya's World. Today my project is coding of clap on LED. Let's start the video. I have used some jumper wires on LED, sound sensor, resistor, nano and breadboard. Let's start the connection. Connected A12 to positive and A14 to negative, the basic connection, and sound sensor GND to negative, VCC to positive, and the out pin or 2D2 pin. And for the LED, the short pin of the LED to negative, and the LED long pin in J22. The resistor is connected between C22 to J20 I22, and a jumper wire is connected from B22 to D8 pin to the nano. I have connected the device. After that, starting the code with when Arduino begins, setting the pin number 2 as input and the pin number 8 as output. After that, forward pin to make the process happens continuously. After that, if the nano read digital pin 2 is equals to 0, then the digital pin 8 output high, that is the LED glows. After that, wait for 2 seconds and then setting the pin 8 to low. Let's upload. Now it's uploading. Let's wait. Upload success. See, my project is working. That's it, friends. This is my other project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Ajan from Wiingy Robotics.